Welcome back with another After Effects tutorial. Today we are going to create an animated social media promo post in After Effects. Let's get started. First, create a new composition, call its main comp, size 1080 by 1080, 24 frames per second and duration is 10 seconds. Hit OK. Right click in Create a new solid and name it BG. Now select the BG layer and search for the gradient ramp effects. And apply it. Go to gradient ramp effect and swap color. The start color is green and the end color is red. Now bring the start point a little bit downside of the comp. Grab the pen tool and select the title action icon. Now create a line from the center of the comp. Fill is set to none and stroke should be on. Now open the shape layer, clicks the content open stroke option and increase the start length of the taper option. If you use the version of After Effects after 2020, then you will find this taper option, otherwise you can use only the shape layer. Now go to Animate and select the repeater. Open repeater and increase the number of copies, open transform repeater, and X position value should be 0. Increase the rotation value to start spreading the repeater. Increase the scale of the layer and select the pan behind the tool to make an anchor point to the center of the point. Now hit R for rotation, hold Alt key and click the stopwatch icon and write the expression time 150. I think it's too fast, let's decrease the value. Now select the layer and search for the turbulence displace effect and apply it. Now check the preview. Go to the project window and select the YouTube icon, and drag it to the timeline. And scatter according to your need. I am fast forwarding this step so you don't have to wait. Now select all the layer and hit S for scale. Bring the cursor at the beginning of the time, the scale value should be 0, and apply the keyframe. Now go a few frames forward and change the scale value up to 100. Now hold Alt and click on the scale stopwatch icon and apply the wiggle expression wiggle, 2,5, click outside. Now select the scale property, right-click, and select and copy the expression only. Select the other layers and paste on them. Check the preview. Now create a new composition and call it a placeholder and hit OK. Go to the project window and bring a photo to placeholder comp and scale down according to your need. Now go to the main comp and bring the placeholder in the comp above all layers. And adjust the size according to your need. Hit P for position and go to few frames forward, and click the stopwatch icon and create a keyframe. Now go to the beginning of the timeline and drag the placeholder inside the comp. Now select all the layers and press F9 to ease them and make your graph like this. Hold Alt-click and apply the expression wiggle 2,5. Check the preview. Create a new composition, name it text and hit OK. Create multiple text layers and font size is 75. Select the color according to your need. I am fast forwarding this step so you don't have to wait. Now select the followers layer, drag it to the right, hit P in position. And create a keyframe, go to few frames forward, change the X position of the text. Hold Alt-click the stopwatch icon and copy and paste the bounce expression. Check the preview. And click on the motion blur icon. Now select the 100K layer, click the animate option and click enable per character 3D. Again go to animate and click position. Change the Z position -1000. Now open the range selector, click the start, go to few frames forward, and change the value up to 100. Select the username layer and click on the animate, and enable per character 3D. Again go to animate and click position. Click on add, scale, and rotation. Now change the Y position 190. X rotation is 180. Now click on Add and select Anchor Point. Change the Y value 500. Bring the cursor to the beginning of the timeline. Now open the range selector and make the offset value to -100. Now click the stopwatch icon and go to few frames forward and change the offset value 100. Check the preview. Open Advanced and change the shape ramp up ease high -50, ease low 50. Change the position value 0. Check the preview. Select the keyframes and press F9 to ease them, and make your graph like this. Select the rectangle tool and create a shape layer, stroke is none and fill color on. Now open shape layer, rectangle, rectangle path, and roundness are 100. Rename the layer button. Now hit P for the position, select the button to bring it outside the composition. Now bring the cursor at the beginning of the timeline and click the stopwatch icon to apply the keyframe. Go to a few frames forwards. Bring shape layer to the comp. Now drag the button downside of the subscribe text. Select subscribe layer and search for the scale up effect. Select the second keyframe and drag it to near. Check the preview. Select the keyframes and press F9 to ease them and make your graph like this. Copy the bounce expression and paste it to the layer. Hold Alt-click on the position of the button and paste it on it. Check the preview. Adjust the speed of the animation by keyframes. Now come to the main comp and drag the text comp above all layers. Adjust the position of the comp according to you. Drag the layers and adjust them in the comp. Check the preview. Press N to decrease the timeline. Now randomize the order of the layer in the comp, and make it better look in the animation. Now hit the left square bracket key to adjust the layers in comp. Check the preview. Come to the text and adjust the text keyframes for animation. Now check the preview. I am fast forwarding this step so you don't have to wait. Go to the main comp and change the blend mode of the shape layer. Select the YouTube icon button layers and press U to open keyframes. Select all the keyframes and press F9 to ease them. Now select the image and text comp and bring it closer to the beginning of the timeline. Now check the preview. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel.